Hello, this is Rohit Raj and this is my C++ experiment 2. Let's see the question. It is based on loopings and branches, and election of is contested by 5 candidates. Candidates are 1 to 5, so I have to use for loop and branches for it. And like not for loop, you can actually do it with many other things like while and all. Uh, there are 5 ballots and there's also spoiled ballots, so I need actually 6 ballots. See, so this is the C program I have written for it. See, in an in-main function, I actually declared an array of size 6. So 5 for the candidates and 1 the spoiled ballot, which are not the correct votes. And I used a for loop to initialize all the elements present in it with 0. So since I want to make it count from 0 to number of votes, I did that. And next I declared two integers k and I. I used k to know the user's wish. Like as you can see here, I prompted the user to give me the option like does he wants to vote or not, or like show the vote count. And I used I to increment in the for loops and all. Since after I prompted it, I took and checked the value using if and logical operator double equal to. So if the vote if case double equal to 2, that is no, the process the program gets terminated right then and there. Or if he wants to show, I mean like, if he wants to know the vote count, I use a for loop to display the candidate number and what's his vote count, that is in array's element, and then the program gets done. And if he wishes to vote, that is 1, it goes into this statement, and in this statement you can see I prompted the user to give me and candidate number, that is from 1 to 5 candidates he can give any number to which he wants to vote. Then I stored that number in I. In if statement, using if statement, I incremented the value candidates number, that is there are 5 candidates, so in an array it's from 0 to 4 actually. So if it's 1 candidate 1, the his ballot will be in array 0, so I minus 1 gets incremented once. So if I vote for the candidate 1, then 1 gets incremented from 0, since I all the values are 0 from beginning once, so 0 to 1, and then again if I enter candidate 1, then it gets to 2, and like that. So it is done for each and every candidate, this process happens. And if other than 5, there are only 5 candidates and people like if you type other than 5, that is 6, something like that, it goes into the last that is spoiled ballot, that is array 5, and that gets incremented no matter how many times, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you type that, and everything goes into that. I used an else loop for that. Then I want this program to run indefinitely, like it doesn't get terminated unless I want it to get terminated. So I used a loop function. So as you can see the label here, this is a loop, and after the voting is done, this goes back to here and ask the user to again uh, does he wants to vote no or show a vote count. This process is continued because once the voting is done, I don't want the process to get terminated so fast. So let's see if the program gets compiled. Oh, the program got successfully compiled. Let's run it. So this is the output. Do you wish to vote? Yeah, let's type 1. It's asking me the candidate number. I type 3. Again, it's, see, the program is repeating itself. So if I type 2, that is don't want to vote and the program wants to be terminated. See, the program got terminated. This is how I did it. Thank you.